Welcome to Kami Autos. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime. Let's take a closer look at what this smartphone has to offer. Starting with features, the J15 Prime is powered by the latest Exynos chip, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming. It boasts a stunning 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and fluid motion. A 5000 mAh battery keeps you powered all day, and 45W fast charging ensures you're back in action quickly. The phone comes equipped with a 108MP primary camera, complemented by ultra-wide and macro lenses for versatile photography. The front camera offers crisp selfies with enhanced low-light performance. The software is One UI 7.0 based on Android 14, offering customization and a seamless experience. The J15 Prime exterior is sleek and durable, featuring a glass back with a matte finish and an aluminum frame for added strength. It's available in Mystic Black, Glacier Silver, and Emerald Green. A side-mounted fingerprint sensor ensures easy access and security. The device is also IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. In conclusion, the 2025 Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime is a powerhouse of performance and style. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or casual user, this phone delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more insights here on Kami Autos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.